Go ahead. All right. So, like I said, first thing is kind of how you were when we first started. And
It is the middle of July now, and I noticed after the first of the year I was having lots of knee pain in an area I never had pain, right in here. And I also realized that standing up and sitting down were very, very difficult. I would have to be sure I was sitting in a chair that had arms, and I would gradually, oh, that was then. But I'd have to do the same thing sitting down. It just in incremental stages trying to get down. Then I noticed the other knee started doing it too. And that's when in May, I would live with that until May, and then I realized I needed to get help.
excellent. So then, what did we do? And we started after May. We started with this, and when did we start with this? First part of mid June, right?
Yeah, this is my fifth week starting this. I came in 3 times a week, and I did my at-home therapy in
Right.
addition. And I noticed the second day a tremendous improvement. And this is me now, getting up and getting down.
That's wonderful.
Yes, it is wonderful.
Yeah, I know you were having troubles. You were having to push out of your chair.
Oh,
So,
well, it was the point where do I really want to get out of my chair and get the iced tea, or can I wait until my husband walks through the room and maybe he will get it for me? I literally had to plan the rising and sitting down around my pain.
I think a lot of people would relate to that. I know I have in the past. So, obviously, it's worked quite well for you. What would you recommend it?
Oh, yes, I'm 71 years old, and I became so terribly concerned thinking, if I'm this bad now, what is going to happen down the road? And I thought, I still hope to have a long life, longer life, but I want quality life, and I wasn't having it.
Definitely. So, quality of life would obviously be better at this point, right?
Oh, yes.
That's fantastic. So, you still think at this point, I know they were recommending knee surgery or in knee replacements. We think we're avoiding that at this point?
I would never do that after what we have accomplished here.
That's fantastic. Wonderful. And I'm going to show your knee real fast here. With the knee, it's actually a lot less swollen in this region than it was when we started to. There's a lot less inflammation in there. But that was almost immediate too.
Yes, it
That's
was.
fantastic. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
My pleasure.